Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the lost superfoods. We, at the DAAC Reviews channel, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before purchasing the lost superfoods. Pay close attention to the important alerts throughout the video to avoid errors when using or buying the lost superfoods. The first thing you need to know about the lost superfoods is to be cautious about the website you're buying from, as it's only available on the official site. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the video description. What is the lost superfoods, and does it really work? The answer is that the Lost Superfoods is a digital book of ancient recipes for durable foods. This lost knowledge about survival foods is so well organized that anyone, even those with no prior cooking or storing experience, can take advantage of it. Everything is explained step by step clearly and precisely, using colorful images and easy-to-follow instructions. With over 126 forgotten survival foods and storage tricks, The Lost Superfoods is a vital book to add to your survival stockpile. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with the Lost Superfoods, including numerous testimonials on the official website. There's something important you need to know before purchasing. You can actually test the Lost Superfoods for 60 days. And if you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll refund your money. So feel secure in buying the Lost Superfoods, but make sure you're buying from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. In conclusion, I decided to record this video to warn you to be careful with the website you're buying from. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I hope the Lost Superfoods really helps improve your life, as it offers many other benefits. Remember, the official website of the product is linked in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.